Hello everyone, so we come to the final result, and here is the Corolla 2015 generation 13 and 16. We fit in 7-inch touchscreen live factory fit, and it also comes with the dual USB port that live factory fit over here. This one you can plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and this one is for USB as well. This one, of course, you can plug in USB if you want. So basically it comes with the full setup: wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and with a full HD anti-glare, super night vision, reverse camera. Nothing much to say because it is a very special version from our system. All steering wheel control buttons works well, so you can see that the steering wheel control is working on the screen here when we press the button. And yep, that's about the system. And the reverse camera, I would like to show you. Actually, when we reverse, it will quickly show up the camera on the screen. And I took this angle view and the screen like this because we want to show that this is how our anti-glare system is working. You can see that is the sun. The camera directly points to the sun right there on the top of the sky, right there. We will be blind if we look up to the sky right now at that direction with our bare eyes or even with the sunglasses. But that is how our camera is working. You can see that it blocks the sun and make it like a dot of light, and you see everything around very super clear, very detailed. Okay, you can see a single brick and every detail on the side of the screen here. Very detailed. Yep, so that's how actually our anti-glare feature is working for the reverse camera, and it will quickly come back to whatever it was on the front. And when you put the reverse, it will come again, and in the nighttime the anti-glare feature will work the same thing. So yep, that's our system for Toyota Corolla 2015. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.